Hey guys, I want to show you guys that we are going to unbox iPhone 13 that just came in. We were shipping this, get that shipping right now. Let's see what's inside. This is iPhone 13 side. It's Apple. You can see that sign as well from both sides, and it's sealed. Looked pretty cool. They handle it, and we can see here like it's iPhone 13 designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. So that's mean has been made in China, by the way. So, however, looks like it's pretty cool, and we are going to open this box. You can see it's USA 2021 Apple. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this iPhone. Let's see what's inside. It's nice, pretty cool. Okay, now that. Wow, so cool. This is amazing. Wow, nice, pretty. It's pretty nice. It's amazing color. So cool. Oh, let's see. Oh, so cool. Let's see what is nice. It's the camera, and it's like the screen. See what's inside. This is the kit, I think, with what is the inside. Let's see. Oh, this is the tools, I think. Okay, the charger, cable. See that? But see, where's the charger? This is so cool, Apple. Okay, and where is the charger? Looks like there is no charger. That's weird. There's no charger with. See, guys, it's only iPhone 13, and it's only the cable, but we don't see any charger. See, guys. That's weird. I'm not sure if this is the way that Apple shipping iPhone without charger. It is weird. So let's see how it looks like. It's gonna be, look guys, the screen. Ah, so nice, cool. See, nice. side. I think they changed that. Okay. That's it. I think you can see this is clear. One what we have this they sanded with, and the cable. Only this, and we have this Apple sign. That's it. But unfortunately, there is no charge with. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.